Our topic is function. In previous class, we discussed about the relations. You know, relation is the rule, method that associate two set of elements. Function is also a rule, method or correspondence that associate two set of elements. But there is difference between relation and function. Each element of first set have one and only one image, but it is not necessary in the relations. Suppose that two sets A and B are two sets. A have m elements, B have n elements. Number of function from A to B is n power m. If you want to find the number of function from B to A, that is m power n. You know the function as a relation. That means function is a rule as the relation is rule. If you take one of the example 1, 2, 3 x and y, if you want to find the relation, that will be 1x 1y 2x 2y, set of order pair 3x and 3y. It may be all of order pair or sum of order pair, comes under rule of relation. But if you want to go to find the function 1, 2, first thing, number of element of first set must be equal or less than second set. That means NA is less than equal to NB. Each element of first set have one and only image. So you see here, to find the function f 1x 1y 2y, that is function. One have only one image. One have not here. One have the two image, but in the function one have only one image. Two have only one image. So this is difference between relation and function. Now you want to know about the kinds of function. Kinds of function in which you learned in previous class different types of function, modulus function, greatest integer function, signum function, logarithmic function, exponential function. But in class 12 you learn about some other functions. 1 function. First 1 function. 1 function, that is also called injection. In 1 function, different element of set A have different image. That means 1, 2, 3, 1 have x, 2 have y, and 3 have z image. Means different element of first set have different image. That is called 1 function or injection. If fx1 equal to fx2, then x1 equal to x2. If fx1 is not equal to fx2, then x1 is not equal to x2. That is 1, 1 function or injection function. Now, second many one function. Set the element of many one function, element of set B have at least more than one F image. That means 1, 2, 3, X, Y. X have one F image and 2. Y have 3. That at least one element of set B have more than one F image, that is called many one function. Now you go on to function that is also called surjective or surjection. That means each element of set B have F image. That means 1, 2, 3, X, Y, Z. X have one of the image, Y have F image, one of the F image. No one element of the set B have not F image. That means all the element of set B have the F image. That is called onto function. If that is you have to find or define fx equal to y. Now last, into function. Into function at least one of the element of set B, at least one of the element of set B have not F image. That means Z have not F image, so it is into functions. Now you take one of the example for these. You have given one of the question f such that n to n, that means domain is natural number and range is natural number, fx equal to x cube. Now you have to prove one function. If fx1 equal to fx2, that means x1 cube equal to x2 cube. x1 cube minus x2 cube equal to 0. x1 minus x2, x1 square plus x1 x2 plus x2 square equal to 0. Case first, x1 minus x2 equal to 0, x1 equal to x2. Case second, x1 square plus x1 into x2 plus x2 square equal to 0. This case is not valid because if you square or multiple of natural numbers add, it will not be equal to 0. So this case is invalid. So only one case is valid, x1 equal to x2. This is 1 function. Now you want to show it is onto or into functions. Onto or into functions, you take the set 2. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fx equal to x cube. That means 1 cube equal to 1. F2 equal to 2 cube equal to 8. Here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 have not F image. So it is not the onto function. This is into function. So this function 1 and into. So it is not a bijective function. If any one function be 1 and onto, that will be bijective function. Otherwise, it is not a bijective function. On next class, we discuss the other examples and problems to clear the rule of function, bijective and inverse. Thank you.